Welcome back to the part 3. This is going to be mainly like sanding the cleaver with, I got some new belts, 80 grit sanding belt for my belt sander. I got the kind that takes the, obviously it must be the rare kind of belt because it's 1x42, and you might, Lowe's or Home Depot might carry 1 or 2 belts, like 80 grit or 120 grit. Usually it's 80 grit, and the rest of them are just the little baby 1x32s and stuff like that. But I'm gonna have to adjust this thing a little bit, maybe not. I don't know. But I'll go ahead and give this a little sand. I'm gonna try to get it looking like, see where I sanded that right there. I did that with the wore out belt where it's shiny at, but I'm gonna try to get them scratches out the best I can, and then get my bevel from my edge and heat, do a temper on it, see what I can do. Getting a little better. The best that side is going to get. What I'm going to do, that's the best that's going to get on that side, but I don't want a mirror finish. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to get the other side taken care of. That's what this side used to look like. Scratched up, but now look at it. It's a lot better. But probably gonna get some grit paper and sand it this way, so I'll get like that satin kind of finish to it. But now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Buff this off a little bit. Switch blade belts, and then do my bevels. It's always good to have a new belt before you do like bevels and stuff like that. If you have them on hand. If you don't, just try your best at trying to do the bevel, because sometimes you can wind up burning up your belt real quick, like wearing it out quicker once you're pressing down on it. You know, the less grit it gets, the harder you're gonna be pushing down on it. So better grit, you don't have to push down as much. But this is 80 grit, still kind of fine, but it's only, like I said, it's only one they had. So just I say a good, a little bit like a 60 or so would do some good aggressive. 40 will do real good, but for taking metal off. So, but bigger, it'll have some bigger grain look to it for, because it's been digged out, grinded out. Alright, that's something. I'm going to get that thing right there. You can't see it on the screen really, but here's what that edge looks like. It's kind of like a chisel still, like a chisel edge. One side's a little deeper than the other. It's a little bit flatter. But I don't keep it like that. Right now it feels sharp. I'm about to strop it with the... I gotta sharpen that tip right there real quick. But I'm about to, when I get this tip sharp, the thickness gone, I'm gonna strop it with my belt, give it a little sharpness test to it, and do a little chop test. Alright, about to do a chop test. So here we go. I'm gonna see if we can get something. I don't want to break it or nothing, but I just want to see if it's gonna have any dings in it. My brother, he might use it to cut something. He might not. I mean, I don't know. But it's good to test out your stuff. So here we go. I'm doing it all over to see if I can get any kind of reaction. So the tip, the middle, the end of it. Tighten this thing down some more. So far, the edge is looking great. No nicks, or I don't feel any rolls. No rolls, which is good. So I'm gonna try some more chopping. See, I don't know what kind of wood that is. It's pretty dense, but I'm gonna use it on the handle also. Again, no dings. I got a bunch of wood on there, wood junk or whatever you want to call it. No rolls, no burrs. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I probably don't have to temper this thing because up here is, I heated it here, and all this is pretty soft back here. So that's probably why it's taking a good whacking on there. But here's what the outcome is. As you can tell, chopped up. So it did pretty good. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So the next step I'll have to get some epoxy. And I'm going to get the handle and stuff measured out, you know, drawn out here. Put the handle on next, and the finishing work. I want to do, like I said in another video, I'm going to do something special in the handle. Besides the bullet case, it ain't really too special, but I want to put probably engraving on there, burned in there into the handle. But I might even try to do something with vinegar on the steel, a design, a patina type deal. I put it in there like this upside down so the edge won't be messed up by the, or I might just wrap up the edge with some tape or whatchamacallit, something to protect it from the vinegar getting on there. And see what happens. Thanks for watching. Wait, part 4 will be ready probably sometime next week, midweek or so maybe, depending on what's going on. But that's the cleaver so far. Not too bad. Chop, 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 chop. Cleaver. Fine magazine paper. Whoop. So delicate. I ain't no shelf. I don't know how to do that.